Hello and welcome to Carbon Mop Limited, clean energy with reliable issuance and tracking of carbon credit transaction. Carbon Mop Limited is a clean energy and carbon credit trading company. The problem of the carbon market include non-standardization of contract, low quality disclosure, lack of consolidation, inaccurate carbon offset data. And the problem of the climate change and global warming include rising global emissions, regulatory pressure, example, the Paris Agreement, the CBAM, and the corporate net zero pledges. Our solution is an integrated trading platform, which is blockchain and AI enabled to provide transparency and transaction in operations, and also a dual carbon credit generation system that includes renewable energy projects, LNG, CNG, and hydrogen adaptation. The carbon market opportunity represents 50 billion US dollars according to McKinsey in 2010, and by 2030. Compliance market is expanding also globally, the EU, the ETS, and the US incentives. The CNG hydrogen market is expected to reach 500 billion US dollars by 2027. Key sectors include logistics, public transportation, and industrial heating to be affected. Team Carbon Mop is endowed with a highly professionals, an energy expert, and also a carbon credit expert, a software engineer, and also an AI expert. Our go-to-market strategy is corporate organizations, tech, and manufacturing seeking to offset in their carbon emission, logistics firms transitioning to LNG, CNG, and hydrogen gas. Our channels include a digital platform for carbon credit trading, e.g. the CTX, the Expansive, and likes of View. Direct sales teams for enterprises and clients, partnership with ESG and consultancies. Our technology for operations are solar systems, farms verified via gold standard, and LNG, hydrogen, and CNG retrofit fleet for measuring CO2 reduction and using IoT sensors. Our trading platform is an AI-driven matching platform with a blockchain for traceability of carbon credit and transactions operations. Our revenue generation models are carbon credit sales and token certificates, sales of hydrogen and CNG, utilities and direct sales, consultancy to ESG and strategies, margin structures for carbon credit sales 30 to 40% and 20% on CNG sales and hydrogen. Our competitive advantages include third-party auditing for carbon credit sales, dual vertical enterprise to combine with renewable long-term, and CNG for CNG transition fuels, strategic partnership alliances with project developers, CNG suppliers, and corporate organizations. Our cash flow metrics, Carbon Mop has a projection of making 3.2 million US dollars in the first year, 9.9 million US dollars in the third year, and 32 million US dollars in the fifth year. Our traction includes hydrogen CNG renewable projects to generate 50 metric tons of carbon credit, partnership with logistics firms for CNG transitioning, team of experts in carbon credit, or the team of carbon credit, energy, and tech. Carbon Mop Limited is seeking 1 million US dollars, or 75% on it will be spent on renewable energy and CNG projects development, 25% on the trading platform for tech and AI-enabled platform. Our exit strategy is acquisition by energy major and ESG-focused fintech. Join us in capitalizing the 100 billion US dollars and the CNG carbon market. Impact to remove 50 million tons of CO2 annually. Call to action. Join us in building the backbone of carbon credit economy. Thank you for having me.